Hello and welcome to DIY e-liquid recipes. I'm John and today we will take a look at a very good and balanced fruit concentrate. So this is Forest Fruit from Flavor Art. I picked to review this flavor because it is actually one of the better fruit mixes available. The taste is hard to describe since this is a combination of few different flavors, but I can mainly taste blueberry and raspberry with a touch of strawberry and black currant in the background. All fruits are present in various amounts, so there's not one specific flavor standing out. Also, as a side note, the taste of this concentrate is slightly dry and acidic. Unless you are planning on using it solo, you will need to use something else also to mellow out its taste. A strong cream or a very juicy fruit are usually the best pairs. For creams, Bavarian cream, vanilla custard, or sweet cream are all good options. For a fruit pair, you can use cactus or jackfruit to bring out a little more of the fruit taste. And the last thing I want to point out about forest fruit is that it's not sweet at all. Personally, I cannot taste any sweetness and I always use at least 0.5% of sweetener with this flavor to add sweetness, obviously, but also some extra body to the whole flavor. Now moving to the ratios, if you want to make an e-liquid just with forest fruit to either try it alone or just for a quick mix, you can use it from 2 up to 4% for a mild e-liquid and from 4 up to 6% for a strong and fruity e-juice. I will also recommend adding some sweetener as mentioned earlier. Now, forest fruit, even though it is a bold flavor, it could also be used very low together with other prominent flavors to make them a little more fruity. Good pairs for that scenario are dark tobaccos and overly sweet fruits, like watermelon or kiwi. To use forest fruit as a base, use it from 3 up to 4%, and for a mild accent, just use it from 1 up to 2%. And now, next, I prepared a simple recipe to show you how this flavor is being used to get an idea what you can do with it. This recipe only uses 2 flavors, the forest fruit and Bavarian cream from Flavor West, but you can also use any other Bavarian cream or other similar cream flavors too. So this is the recipe here. Other than the main flavors, there is also sweetener, a little bit of smooth, to blend the flavors together, and a little bit of vanillin for a similar reason. Altogether, this e-liquid comes to 10% of total flavor, but it is a rich and full flavor e-liquid with a nice variety of flavors. This recipe will require a few days of steeping to mellow out, but it will worth the wait after. I recommend starting with 3 days of steeping. Now I know there are a lot of different e-liquids that use forest fruit either as one of the main flavors or just as a side accent. If you have come across or created any e-liquids worth mentioning with this flavor, feel free to share them with us in the comments. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching once more, and I will see you again on the next video.